Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nasim from nasimreza.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money without any skills from Fiverr. So Fiverr is a very popular freelance marketplace where you can get a remote job and you can submit your job and you can make extra money from that. But always you need two skills to make money from Fiverr, but not like that. Actually, I am going to show you how you can provide YouTube SEO service on Fiverr and make money. So no more talk, let's get started. Guys, this is my YouTube video for example, and what the meaning of YouTube SEO. YouTube SEO means you have to give the appropriate title, you have to write a good description, and you have to input the tags and with the good thumbnail, right? So, and you can check your YouTube SEO score with the plugin called vidIQ or TubeBuddy, whatever you like. So these two actually very popular, and here you can see this video score shows on my video is 82.1 out of 100, and this is the TubeBuddy same, it's 80 out of 10. Okay, it's not too bad, right? So if you have the premium version, then you can get the suggestion how you can optimize and SEO friendly this video. And let's back to Fiverr. Okay, I searched on Fiverr YouTube SEO and I found a few gigs on there, and I opened top 10 2 1 and 2, and here you can see this is the first gig. It has the 4 order running, and the second one is 16 order in running. So can you imagine, this guy is making money with Fiverr without any skill. So how I tell you without skill? Okay, let me show you the tricks how you can do the same service on Fiverr without any skill. Okay, so you have to use ChatGPT. For example, my last video I have published. Okay, let me show you guys. So my last video I have published about the proven side hustle made me $560. Okay, so this video I have all the thing I generated, like even thumbnail, not only title, description, tag, even thumbnail. Here you can see I just give my idea to ChatGPT, just give me a YouTube title for me, and then the same title they actually provide me, and then I told them write a description, and then he wrote a very organized good YouTube description for me, and then write long tail search tag, and they provide me the keyword for search tag, and I told them design thumbnail. Then he give me some idea how I make my thumbnail, and then I just told please design for thumbnail, and he designed with this format, but I told this is not suitable for YouTube, please decide it for YouTube. Then he actually gave me this output that was so beautiful, right? I use the same exact all the information in there, and my YouTube video score is one of the like this. So all the video I am using the ChatGPT and my score is good. Okay, so you can use ChatGPT and you can make Fiverr profile, and then you can easily make money with Fiverr without any skill. So that's actually I wanted to show you guys. Here you can see one video he charging $20. So you just think, if your client has the 10 video per day, how many dollar you are going to make. So if you have 10 video. So there you can see the for 5 video is making $100, and for 10 video he's making $170. And this guy also making the same thing, 5-day delivery, 10 video, $195. So that is how you can make money online. Interesting, right? So that's all I wanted to show you guys. If you found this video was useful for you, then you can hit the thumbs up. And if you want to learn this kind of thing that will help you to making money online, then you can consider subscribing to my channel, because it will help me to continue working on this channel. So my name is Nasim. I will see you on the next one. Till then, bye. Have a great day.